In this tutorial, we're going to be calculating the percentages of money, and we're going to be using a calculator to help us do that. So let's get straight into it. 88% of $52.50. Before we start, really, the key piece of information that you need to know is that this of really means to multiply. So this means multiply. Okay, let's call up our calculator and see how to solve these. All you have to do is type in these amounts, these values, if you like, sorry, and then push the percentage button. Okay, so this is how you do it. 88 multiplied, that's what it means here, 52.5. You can type 50 if you like, won't make any difference. Push the percentage button and equals. And there is your answer, 46.2. Now, when you use calculators, there is one small problem, and that is it will always eliminate a trailing zero. Now, for money, you need to have 2 decimal places, and at the moment, I've only got 1 because the calculator only gave me 1.2. So I have to have 2 decimal places. So the second decimal place has got to be a 0. I mean, there are lots of zeros after that too, but I only need 2 decimal places. So the final answer is $46.20. Okay, so let's do the second one. Get the calculator. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 23, right? Percentage equals 0.46. So 0.46, and that's it. You just have to make sure that it's clear that it's dollars. Now, if you know money quite well, that's great, because you can also write it like this, 46 cents. Same thing. Okay, so that's how you can use your calculator to solve percentages of given money amounts in a very, very straightforward way.